Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we have to learn that how you can create ISO image from Windows DVD setup. For this purpose you have two requirements. The first one is Windows DVD inserted into your DVD ROM containing Windows setup, and the next is ImgBurn LInk tool. This is small tool to convert files into ISO image. I have Windows 10 setup copied from DVD. This is setup and all other bootable files. So I will start ImgBurn LInk tool. I will paste the link of this tool in description. You can easily download from there. So if you are converting ISO image directly from disk, you will choose this option, create image file from disk. You will just select the disk here and convert it into ISO image. I have Windows 10 setup folder, so I will choose next option, create image file from files or folder, this option. So I will select this one. Now I have to select source and the destination. Source is our Windows 10 setup and on desktop. This is desktop, this is Windows 10 setup. Just select this one and press OK. Now the source is selected. Now I will select the destination to copy ISO image. I will choose desktop and type any name for this ISO image, Windows 10 image. So the format is ISO. It will convert in ISO image. Select save, then select this option, press yes, then yes. Now the process is starting. Press OK. Now it takes some time. Our setup is nearly to complete. ISO image has been created and process is going on. You can check the process here. The operation has successfully completed. Now this is our image file created from ImgBurn. So it's all done. Thanks guys for watching, learning. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos.